Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to another Street Series video. The video we have planned for today, it wasn't really planned, it just happened unexpectedly, but my clutch took a shit on me. So yeah, we're actually in the process right now. The axles are out, but my clutch took a shit on me. So we're gonna go ahead and replace that. But in the meanwhile, while we drop the transmission and all that, go ahead and drop a comment down below on on which clutch, like aftermarket clutch company you guys prefer, or which ones you guys would recommend, and also like on what build you have it on. So it doesn't have to be a TL. Say you have it on the SI, just comment down below on which aftermarket clutch you have, which car you have it on, and if you like it better than OEM. For you OEM guys, have you gone back to OEM again after going aftermarket because you had like a bad experience with an aftermarket clutch? Just let me know, comment down below guys. Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and drop the transmission today. There's Lalo. Supposedly he doesn't drink soda no more, but it's in his hand. And there's my boy Droids. Droids is just here to hold the flashlight and get yelled at when it gets dark. Alright guys, so me and my brother got the tranny out, dropped it. We're about to see if my clutch is fucked up. It's most likely my clutch though. We're just gonna make sure. Hopefully it's nothing else, but most likely just the clutch. Easy repair, easy fix. Most likely gonna go with Acura clutch or something along those lines. But yeah guys, transmission's out. See how complicated this shit looks with the whole subframe and everything. You gotta take all that shit out. You gotta take the axles out, everything. Oh, for sure, maybe since we already got here, I might end up pulling out my calipers and painting them like a candy red and do a video on that. Yeah guys, we'll see. But for now, we gotta deal with the tranny, see what's wrong, hopefully just the clutch, and then I can just get an upgraded flywheel and clutch, and then yeah, car will be good to go. And I still got to do that Armor All review. I'll probably end up using my brother's TSX over there. And this thing's hella dirty. Yeah, I'll probably end up using my brother's TSX right there to do the interior of the Armor All review. I know that was supposed to be the next video, but then shit happens. But yeah, I'll do it on the TSX. So stay tuned for that, guys. I haven't forgot about the Armor All review, if it really works or doesn't. There's a lot of bad and good reviews, but we'll see for ourselves. But yeah, anyways guys, we're gonna get back to it and I'll keep you guys updated. Try picking it up.
Yeah.
With one hand? Oh hell no, that shit's heavy.
And then the teeth are fucking sharp.
She's like 80 pounds. Oh, she got a lightweight flywheel, huh?
Yeah.
That's what everyone keeps telling me. To do a stage 2 clutch and a lightweight flywheel. Alright guys, so I didn't get to film, but we had to load up the transmission, take it to a shop and get it rebuilt. Here's a little clip for you guys so you guys can kind of hear. So that sound you guys heard was actually my synchro, second gear, and my final drive. So I had to get the transmission rebuilt. We took it to a guy in Fontana. It's actually a shop, and then he's been sending me pictures. So yeah, I'm just waiting on the rebuild to be finished, and then I ordered a new clutch and flywheel. So I'm just waiting on that, and then we can throw it all back together, get the car up and running. So yeah guys, stay tuned for that, and then here are some of the pictures that he sent me. Alright guys, so right now that the TL is down due to the transmission being messed up, I'm actually using Lalo's TSX. You can't really tell right now, but it's very dirty. Watch once you actually get close. Look at the wheels. So I'm gonna go ahead and wash the TSX real quick. Yeah, I just thought I'd show you guys. It looks good right now with this background. Summer days, summer evening. It looks cool. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and take it right here next door to my house. Hit it with the pressure washer, foam cannon, get it all nice and cleaned up. Yeah guys, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hi baby. Why you mad? It's because they ain't subscribed, huh? She's mad because you guys are watching but you're not subscribed, so make sure you subscribe down below. See, there you go. Can't really see it because this car is gray, but alright guys, so it's been about 5 minutes. I hit the car with the chemical guys foam wash. So basically you fill it up to right here about 5 ounces with the actual soap, and then the rest you fill it up with warm water. It's like a gallon for, I think it's like 40 bucks. But I've had that gallon for almost 2.5 years because you barely use it. It's only, like I said, 5 ounces, so like way down here. So yeah, like 5 ounces. The rest you fill it up with warm water. But yeah, I suggest that you just let it sit for about 5 minutes, and it basically like pulls all the dirt, all the bird shit. It like pulls it all out of the car, and like, you know, makes it come on out. Then you just let it sit 5 minutes, let it work its magic, and then you just go ahead and you hit it with the rinse, and that's it. You don't even gotta, you could use soap before this if you want to. I normally don't, so you just basically do a touchless car wash. So yeah, it comes pretty handy. As you can see already, it already looks hella clean, bro. But yeah guys, I highly suggest getting some chemical guys foam wash.
Okay, I made some decisions I can't change. Praying to God to overcame. Now I'm chilling, just posted up with my babe. But my phone steady ringing every day. Now I'm talking about ex keep calling saying she on the way. My ex keep calling saying she on the way. Yeah, my ex keep calling back. She keep calling back. She keep calling back. She keep calling. Can you teach this Rasta how to salsa? Mama, you and I back to mi casa. We slide. Oh, you habla English? Your accent be the me.
Alright guys, that's gonna do it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Anyways, thanks for watching the video today guys. I appreciate it. Stay tuned for more updates on the TL. But for now, I'm gonna go ahead and be driving this thing. I just got her all nice and washed up. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe guys. It really helps the channel grow. We're almost at 1,000 subscribers. So yeah guys, make sure you comment, subscribe, and share with your friends. And comment down below if you guys would like a full walk around video of the TSX with all the mods. And yeah, I haven't forgot about the armor all review. That'll for sure be next. I'll be doing it on the TSX right here, cleaning up the interior since my car is over there broken. So yeah guys, stay tuned. Appreciate you guys watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace out guys.
Cause in this world, baby, there's a lot of fucking drugs, but you the only thing that could really fuck me up. You get me to another level that I ain't never seen. Got me asking for more, now I'm starting to fiend. Cause in this world, baby, there's a lot of fucking drugs, but you the only thing that could really fuck me up.